Hey, in a new space. I haven't been all the way up front with you guys. Things are happening. But yeah, no, this past weekend we've been putting some stuff down. I have my friend Kip Picasso, put him up right here. Make sure you go follow him. He came down for the weekend, so we hung out. Um but yeah, I've been doing things from my garage, and this is gonna become the new studio. Like I said, I'm getting to you guys a little bit late. We already did a couple of things. But yeah, right now I'm just putting up the lights, so keep in tune. for the transition. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll have some more content in the new space for you guys. I'm out. Real quick, I wanted to let you know that subscribe to my Patreon. All my videos from this point on will be released there ahead of time. They seen this video probably like 2 weeks ahead. So if you want to get early access to content, if you want to be able to speak with me directly, you know, from there I can help you out, mixing tips, whatever you need, you know, that right there. And plus it also helps the community grow. So definitely get a chance to check that out, and then we'll catch you guys on the next one.